Good morning. Today, got up early before it was too damn hot, and I'm going to continue working on the Focus. Hopefully, I'll get it to the point where I can drive it today. And I'm waiting on some parts to put the bumper cover on, but today I am going to finish welding up these panels, and then from there, I'm going to put the license plate on, and then I'm going to drive it. So stick around. I blew it all apart one last time so I can sand the panels where I'm going to weld. So we'll go from there once I get it all cleaned up. Alright, I cleaned up everywhere that I need to weld. So we should be good to go now. If I need to do any more, I got my angle grinder handy. So now I'm going to put her back together. So let's do that. It's slowly going back together. Fitting these up. Then we'll fit the center panel. And then we'll weld. So it's going. A little bit of ingenuity. I'm fitting these panels back in. And this is where the hit was. And to close that gap up, use my handy dandy jack, piece of wood, and here we go. I used a little ingenuity to close that gap up. I got my jack and a piece of wood, and I got it jacked up. I'm gonna drill some holes and put some sheet metal screws in there, and then move on. So it's starting to look a lot like Christmas. So this side needs some work, but can only do one side at a time, so we'll get there. And I measured to see if it was out of square, and the dimensions I took to right here on the old one, it's about 1/8 of an inch off. So since I'm doing it for myself and not trying to pawn it off on anybody for something that it isn't, I can live with that. So here we go. All right, so I got this side pretty damn straight. Here's the inside. I'm gonna have to figure out that gap there, but I'll figure it out. But I got 3 screws holding that in. And then look at that, it's almost fitting up. So I'm just gonna work on that side and work towards the center. So that's what we got going on. Man, that sun's bright. I don't know if you can see this, but I've got this side fitted now, and it's all looking good. And now I just have I'm starting to bolt that along there, so we're getting there. It's definitely getting there. So all right, so I got her all fitted. See all the nice little sheet metal screws sticking out all the way around, but we got her in there, and keep my fingers crossed that it's all in the right spot. So now I'm going to tack it in, and I'm going to leave this on time lapse. Hopefully I don't show too much crack when I'm welding, because I'm going to be sitting down. So here we go. Well, I'm gonna call it quits for today. It's like supposedly it feels like 105 out here, and because there's so much sunlight, I can't see through my welding mask. The light's getting in behind, so it's reflecting, so I can't see anything. So I'm gonna wait until a little bit later, but I got a lot done today. I'm pretty happy. I got garbage welds, but that's what the welder does. Me, not the welder. Um, so it's getting there. What I'll do next time is start taking some of the screws out and welding it up where the screw was. You know, so, but we're getting there. Love it, love it, love it. So that's the end of another quick video of working on the Focus. I'm going to try and get it done this week so I can use it for work, and plus clean up all this crap in the garage that's related to the Focus. So, but like always, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the ringer dinger there so you know when I got a new video out, and just thanks a lot for watching. Have a great, hopefully you had a great weekend, and hopefully you weren't where Florence is. So take care and good luck. Good morning. Today I'm going to continue working on the Falcon.